Punching was one of the first tooling that was manufactured by EMT for a conventional printing press. Rotary tooling to place these punch hole patterns in documents as they were produced. So a lot of business forms get punched, books, a lot of financial statements get punched and come in the mail with a 3-hole punch so you can put those into your binder. We did a number of machines for diabetes test strips, like a round corner on a notebook, or coil bound punching for putting a wire spiral into a group of sheets for a coil book. A number of different things. The other group, line hole punching, and that's a very simple pattern of holes down the edge of the web. So it's really using a hole in the web to align layers of sheets together, or as a feeding mechanism, right, to feed that roll of paper, tractor drives, pin drives that are using that punched hole to advance the paper. EMT moved to the front of the line as being a punch tooling provider. This tooling was a big advancement in that industry, and at that time the punch tooling that was being used was a consumable. It had to be changed often until this hardened tooling system was developed, and EMT put those on thousands of presses, extended the punch tooling life from 6 weeks to 6 months or a year. Really, it's our experience and the variety of tooling and materials and punching that we have done. When you look at it, the product from the surface, it looks pretty basic. You have 2 rings that are mated together, rolling together, punching it out, right? Who hasn't used a desktop 3-hole punch or a leather punch? It seems very basic and simple. It's not. There's a lot of science that goes into that. There's some very specific features that reliable and robust punch system requires, and that can vary from product to product. We have a huge library of knowledge and experience with many different products, so we're able to really create a successful solution right out of the gate.